Hey everybody, welcome to another video. So I just got back off my ride, 21 miles to and from university, feeling good as you see, flustered, about 2,000 feet elevation gain. And guess what I came home to? Okay, so let me give you a little background first off. What occurred was I had bought a Stages power meter. It was a Gen 2. It was working fine. Got wet, took the battery cap off, let it dry out, it was fine. Well, it got really cold, and then all of a sudden I noticed that when I would calibrate it, the calibration would be really low. So I contacted Stages. They told me to take the battery cap off and let it dry out, which I had been doing every day, and it still hadn't gotten any better. So I informed them of that, and then that's when they let me know that, all right, send it back to us. I'm like, what? They're like, yeah, we'll send it back to us. I'm like, you guys are serious? So I'm like, that's awesome. Best customer service. I'm glad I got a Stages power meter, guys. Sorry about the camera, it's a little shaky, but I'm just wore out. So now I come home today, and look what I got, y'all. Stages power meter. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. So let me pause this for a moment and I'm gonna unbox it real quick. All right, here we go, y'all. Unbox this bad boy here. I tell you what, they got the best customer service. They said, just send it back to us. I'm like, all right. The guy was really nice. I told him he's ever in my area. He knew in my area. If you're over here, man, come over here, man. We'll go for a ride. I'll show you around. Stages Ultegra power meter. Oops, I cover that up. So right here, they said they sent me, they get it all fixed up for me. And look at that. Wow. See that, y'all? Stages power meter in living color, ready to go. Stages, I gotta thank all y'all. Y'all are the best. It's my power meter just, whew. You see this, y'all? So I'll tell you what, Stages is the best power meter company on the planet. If you're thinking, if you're on the fence about getting one, I'll tell you right now, get one. They have the best customer service. And like I said, it got wet. I let it dry out. It worked fine. Something malfunctioned. I don't know what exactly. I'm not into all the scientifics, you know, the mass spectrometer when you step on it. I don't know. But I'll tell you what, their customer service is phenomenal. They're the best power meter. I've never had any problems with it other than that. And look, they corrected it immediately. Get a Stages power meter, y'all. You will not be disappointed. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't. Leave your comments down in the comment section. Train with power. It's the best tool that you can use to increase your fitness because you have a gauge, whether or wind. Like today it was super windy. But I can't just rely upon my miles per hour because I'm putting out more watts to maintain that same miles per hour. But if I had a power meter on my bike today, I've been able to hold that steady power and been able to do it and know what it is that I'm doing each and every day. Now, based upon all these different variables. So get a power meter, y'all. You'll love it and enjoy it. Take care.